Hello, today I will show you how to import Autocad drawing into ORION building design system. Doing that, we have to convert the Autocad file from 3WG from Autocad drawing to DXF file, which could really enable us to edit on ORION building design system. Now, to do that, we go to this icon here. This icon here, we save it to other drawing formats. Yeah, save it to other drawing format where you could only have. Now you have to change the files of type from 3DWG to DXF. Here we have DXF 2013, DXF 2010, DXF 27, DXF 24, and DXF 2000. Now we'll be opting for DXF 2013. Then you save. We can see that this has been changed from the previous format. Now, having done that, you open your ORION building design system and create a new project of your new design. Then you create a new project of your new design here. You create a new project of your new design here. Let's save that as DXF to ORION 12. Then you open. Here we have to select codes based on the type of design. We have that of Euro code, USBS, UKBS 810. We have Singapore. Now we're choosing UKBS since we are preparing a structural design, not a steel design. Then you import it. This is sheet size. The sheet size varies across. We have A4, A3, A2, A1, A0. Preferably we'll be opting for A3. Then we have this. Now to import the DXF file from Autocad to ORION after the conversion, the steps will be taken into considerations, whereby you have to click on this external reference drawing here. After clicking on the external reference drawing in the toolbar at the top of the screen here, you save this. Yes. So in the reference drawing setting here, this dialog box that appear, you have to tick the display reference drawing and load the DXF file from the dialog box. Now here we have the DXF file. Here's the DXF file here. Then you open it. Now we have to select the metric system we'll be using, if it is a millimeter or centimeter, or meters. Now we'll be choosing millimeters, which is very precise in our design system. Now we have this here. This is not still okay having this in this format, so we have to move the design to the preferred position we want it. Now you go to DXF file, in external reference drawing here, you click on the move, and from this you can see the red star which is used to move, and you can move the file here. And having done that, you have to scale it. Now it does not fit into what we want here right now, so we have to scale it from the scale, using the scale factor box here, from reducing the scale from 1 to 0.65, which will be suitable enough for it. Then you scale it here. Now we have to click on the import members in the reference range setting dialog box and tick the boxes for import as is. Here we tick the boxes for import as is, import columns, then we click on import as is, import columns, then you click OK. Now we have no error, number of error, model check completed. You have no number of errors, so everything is good. Now these are the axes we generated from our Orion system. You can see the axes here. You have the axes here. There is a column here. You can delete that. Now this could enhance us for a suitable insertion point for columns. For subsequent columns we will be editing. You can see the columns. You can see this. See this. Now we can now start inserting the columns of our precise dimensions which we will be using. Now see columns, you set the properties, but we don't have much on that. Let's just set this as 230 by 230. We don't have using a tab key to move to the next box. We don't have much on that. The eccentricity is an average of the width and the breadth, which is average of 230, which is 115. Tab 115. Then we have that. We're selecting this type of column for a specific insertion, then you update. We have this for this. Now you can start inserting your column, your preferred column, to the suitable insertion point. Now you can as well delete all the previous columns and now inserting your defined columns for your design. Now you can just click on erase, then you delete all the columns you selected from the previous design and start inserting new ones, just like we did for those 6. Now you can start inserting new ones in the insertion point using the axis. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates.